Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Insightly Email Sync from Office 365, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Office 365 login page. Enter your credentials and log into your Office 365 account. Once logged in, click on the App Launcher in the upper left corner. From the App Launcher menu, select Outlook to open your email application. In Outlook, locate and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Now, navigate to the Mail section on the left side of the Settings window. Expand the Sync Email option by clicking on it. You will see a list of connected accounts. Find the Insightly Email Sync account you wish to uninstall. Next to the Insightly account, click on the trash can icon to delete it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to remove the account by clicking Yes. Once confirmed, the Insightly Email Sync will be uninstalled from your Office 365 account. To ensure everything is removed, refresh your Outlook page. After refreshing, verify that the Insightly account no longer appears in the Connected Accounts list. This completes the uninstallation process. You have successfully uninstalled Insightly Email Sync from Office 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.